Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They are formed by the collapse of massive stars at the end of their life cycle. When a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer produce energy through nuclear fusion. Without this energy, the star collapses in on itself due to gravity. The star becomes incredibly dense, with mass concentrated in a very small space. This creates a gravitational field so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. When matter, such as gas or dust, gets too close to a black hole, it becomes trapped in its gravitational field. The matter is pulled toward the black hole at incredibly high speeds and begins to spiral around the hole. As the matter gets closer and closer to the black hole, it is heated to extremely high temperatures and emits radiation. This radiation can be observed with telescopes and is one of the methods scientists use to study black holes. Once matter crosses the event horizon, the point of no return, it is pulled into the singularity of the black hole, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them to break down. The matter is compressed to an infinitesimally small point, and its mass is added to the mass of the black hole. This process can continue indefinitely, with more and more matter being added to the black hole over time. While black holes are incredibly mysterious and difficult to study, they are also some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. Scientists continue to study them in hopes of unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos.